in my
Okay.
refrigerator.
It's in your refrigerator.
It's in my refrigerator.
Eat your bagel.
Red hot, like you. Surprise!
Guess we're gonna eat dinner in about an hour.
Okay. Want some noodles? No?
That was a good one.
We have blueberry bagels.
Ow, I don't want food. You're already eating.
Butter is better.
Always smells so good in here.
Butter is better.
Shut the refrigerator.
Oh. Sorry, let me close my refrigerator.